guys, what's up? It's Weston. My mom is gonna come in a little bit today. She's gonna help me with the build. We're building the Lego city set. Okay, here comes my mom. So we couldn't find the box, like it didn't come with the box, but we're gonna do some magic today. So we have these close. We're gonna act like these are the box. Let's do this. Guys, what just happened? Okay, let's get on with the build. We're gonna do a time lapse. Let's go. Guys, we are now done with part 2. Reagan has joined. So we're done with part 1. So we're gonna show you this real quick before we do the ship. Haven't built it yet though, so hold it for us. So we have this really cool shark. It's very unusual. Like it's not like the normal ones. We have this minifigure. Have this weird thing. I don't know what to call it. Watermelon. This, and we have a floating flag. Okay, let's get on with the next part of the build. Guys, we're gonna review the set now. Well, the boat, because we already finished it. So, this is the boat. You can see the front, you can see the back with the watermelon piece. So, I actually added these 2 gun pieces to the roof just to make it look sick. But,
Sick?
What?
What does that mean?
But you actually can put them on here. But you can also add them back. So that's pretty good. I love this set. My dad's home. It also comes with this ginormous boat piece as you've already seen.
Go.
Okay, so you can also, there's a boomerang on top for some reason. You can also take the roof off.
It's not a boomerang.
Yeah, it is, look.
It looks like one, but it's just like to help with the boat.
Yeah, no, but it's a boomerang Lego piece. So we have.
What is the watermelon for?
To eat. We have a driver's seat, some seats back right here, and then a bed for some reason right here, and then so. That is basically, I don't know. There's a crab on here. So that's basically the end of the set. Hope you like the set. See you guys. Bye. That's so